Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Windows 11 is very slow to save the files. So before going to start the video, if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your Windows 11 is very slow to save the files, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to click on the start menu, then search for control panel. Click on control panel. In this you can see here view by. If it is selected as category, you just change it to large icons. In this you need to find troubleshoot. You can see here troubleshooting, just click on this. After that you will find run maintenance task, just click on this, just click on next. If you find any troubleshoot option here, just click on that option and click on next. After that just close this window, or you can select this option for try troubleshooting as an administrator. If you find any troubleshoot option, just click on that and click on next. After that just close this window. You need to copy this path from my video description link. Just copy this path, open run command window, just right click on start menu, click on run, just paste the path here, just click on OK. You need to select all this, just press Ctrl A and click on delete and close this window. Come to the third option, just click on the start menu, then type here cmd, just right click on command prompt, click on run as administrator, click on yes to allow. Here type some of the command what I will provide in my video description link. You can just copy paste from there. You can see, just copy the first command, net stop server, right click on the top of the command prompt window, click on edit, click on paste, hit enter. Copy the second command, just right click on the top screen, edit and paste and hit enter. Just copy the second command, come to the command prompt window, right click, edit and paste and hit enter. After doing this, just close this window, and once you need to restart your laptop or PC. After restarting your laptop or PC, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Windows 11 is very slow to save the files. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.